Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn and write cursive writing A B C D A B B. Look at the movement of the fingers. C and write curve D D. Now E repeat it. Write properly. F G H I write properly in 4 lines. J K L M N Practice these cursive writings more and more times. O P Now write Q properly. Q and repeat it. R in 4 lines. R write properly. S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you friends. Subscribe now for more videos.